Buying the best garlic press can mean the difference between hassle-free garlic preparation and a fitly tool that breaks after a mere week of use. So, with that in mind, here are the best garlic presses that you should consider buying if you want easy garlic preparation. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the products. Okay, so if you're hunting for the best garlic chopper, then you should definitely check out the ORBLUE stainless steel garlic press, which is a kitchen powerhouse that will revolutionize your garlic preparation. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the toughest cloves with ease. You'll appreciate how it effortlessly crushes unpeeled garlic, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. One of the standout features is the press's ability to produce a fine, uniform garlic paste. This consistency is perfect for enhancing the flavor of your dishes, whether you're whipping up a quick pasta sauce or marinating meat for the grill. The ergonomic design of the handles makes it comfortable to use, even when you're preparing large quantities of garlic for a big family meal. Cleaning up after use is a breeze with this garlic press. It's dishwasher safe, so you can toss it in with your other utensils and forget about it. If you prefer hand washing, you'll find that a quick rinse under running water is often enough to remove any residue, thanks to the smooth stainless steel surface. You'll love the versatility of this tool. While it excels at mincing garlic, it's also great for crushing ginger root. This dual functionality makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen, especially if you enjoy cooking Asian or Indian cuisine that often calls for both ingredients. The ORBLUE garlic press is built to last. Its stainless steel construction not only makes it durable, but also rust-proof, ensuring it will remain a staple in your kitchen for years to come. You'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with investing in a high-quality kitchen tool that won't need replacing anytime soon. Now, if you're looking for the best garlic mincer, then the OXO Good Grips garlic press stands out with its sturdy stainless steel construction. You'll appreciate the durability this brings to your kitchen tools. The large capacity hopper lets you crush multiple cloves at once, saving you time during meal prep. Comfort is key when it comes to kitchen gadgets, and this press delivers. The soft handles absorb pressure, making it easy on your hands when you're squeezing out that garlicky goodness. No more straining or struggling with tough-to-use presses. Efficiency is another strong point of this garlic crusher. Its well-designed hole pattern ensures that your garlic ends up in your dish, not stuck in the press. This means less waste and more flavor in your cooking. Cleaning up after using garlic can be a pain, but OXO has thought of that too. The press features a stainless steel swing basket that makes emptying and cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so you can toss it in with the rest of your dishes. You might find the size a bit larger than some other presses, but this allows for its multi-clove capacity. The trade-off is worth it if you use a lot of garlic in your cooking. With its combination of comfort, efficiency, and ease of use, this OXO garlic press could become your new favorite kitchen helper. Up next on my list of the best rated garlic presses we have the Kuhn, Rikon Epicurean garlic press, which I honestly think is the best garlic mincing tool for those seeking quality without overspending. You'll love the sleek design of this Kuhn Rikon garlic press. Its stainless steel body not only looks great in your kitchen, but also promises long-lasting durability. The ergonomic handles fit comfortably in your grip, making it a breeze to squeeze even the toughest garlic cloves. What sets this press apart is its powerful lever mechanism. You'll be amazed at how little effort it takes to mince garlic, up to 60% less than other presses. This feature is especially beneficial if you have limited hand strength or arthritis. No more struggling to get perfectly minced garlic for your recipes. The versatility of this press is another standout feature. Unlike some models that require peeled cloves, this one handles both peeled and unpeeled garlic with ease. The beveled holes cut garlic finely, maximizing flavor release in your dishes. You'll notice the difference in taste when you use freshly pressed garlic instead of pre-minced alternatives. Cleaning up after using a garlic press can often be a hassle, but not with this model. The pressing mechanism swings out for easy access, allowing you to quickly remove any leftover garlic pieces. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain its pristine condition and functionality over time. At 6.5 inches long and 1 inch wide, this press is substantial enough to handle large garlic cloves, but still compact enough to store easily in your kitchen drawer. The silver finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen tools. With its combination of style and functionality, you'll find yourself reaching for this garlic press time and time again, elevating your cooking experience with perfectly minced garlic every time. Next up is the Zulay Premium Garlic Crusher, which I definitely rate as one of the top garlic presses on the market today. The Zulay Premium Garlic Crusher stands out with its sturdy zinc alloy construction and nickel plating. This robust build ensures longevity and resistance to rust, making it a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design featuring built-in studs that maximize garlic paste extraction, saving you time and effort in your meal prep. One of the most appealing aspects of this garlic press is its ability to handle unpeeled cloves. You can say goodbye to garlic-scented fingers and tedious peeling. Simply pop whole cloves into the chamber, squeeze the ergonomic handles, and watch as perfectly minced garlic emerges while the peels stay behind. This feature not only speeds up your cooking process, but also keeps your hands clean and odor-free. Cleaning this gadget is a breeze. You can either rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. To maintain its top performance, it's recommended to rinse the press right after use to prevent any garlic residue from hardening. This simple maintenance routine will keep your press in prime condition for countless culinary adventures. Beyond garlic, this versatile tool opens up a world of possibilities in your kitchen. You can use it to crush ginger, creating a fine paste perfect for stir fries or marinades. It's also great for grinding spices like coriander, cumin, or peppercorns when recipes call for freshly cracked or coarsely ground seeds. This multifunctionality eliminates the need for a separate mortar and pestle, saving valuable kitchen space. The Zulay Premium Garlic Crusher comes with additional accessories to enhance your garlic prep experience. A silicone garlic peeler is included for those times when you prefer to remove the skins before crushing. You'll also find a cleaning brush in the set, making it even easier to keep your press spotless. With its lifetime warranty, you can feel confident in your purchase, knowing that Zulay stands behind their product's quality and performance. So, what is the best garlic press that you can buy? Well, if you want to go beyond basic models, then I'd highly recommend getting the Rösle stainless steel garlic press, which is one of the top-rated garlic presses on the market. The Rösle stainless steel garlic press is a kitchen gadget that stands out from the crowd. Crafted from durable 18-10 stainless steel, this press is built to last. You'll appreciate its solid feel and sleek design that looks great in any kitchen. One of the standout features of this garlic press is its crushing mechanism. With 48 offset conical holes in the sieve, it efficiently minces garlic cloves to a fine consistency. This design allows for optimal extraction of garlic flavor, ensuring your dishes pack a punch. Cleaning is a breeze with the Rösle press. The fold-out sieve makes it easy to remove garlic residue, and you can simply rinse it under running water. For a deeper clean, pop it in the dishwasher. It's completely dishwasher safe. You'll find this press versatile beyond just garlic. It's equally effective at grating fresh ginger, adding another dimension to its usefulness in your kitchen. The hygienic stainless steel construction ensures no flavors are transferred between ingredients. The ergonomic design of the Rösle press makes it comfortable to use, even when processing multiple cloves. You can even use it on unpeeled garlic, saving you time and effort in meal preparation. While it may require a bit more hand strength than some lighter models, the results are worth the extra squeeze. And with that said, you'll find the links for all the products mentioned in the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you found this best garlic press video helpful.